Assalamu alaikum students. Please take out your Funmatics book. This video is for prep class. Open page number 3. First of all, you write date and day and CW, and then look at these 4 pictures carefully and found it buttons on his tummy. Look at this snowman. You see any buttons here? No. You see 0 button. So you trace it 0 and write the name of 0. This is the name of 0. Z-E-R-O 0. Z-E-R-O 0. Look at this picture. You see 1 button on his tummy. So you trace 1 and write the name of 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. You see picture number 3. 2 button on his tummy. So we trace the 2 and write it 2. T-W-O 2. Look at the picture number 4. You see 3 button on snowman. So you trace the 3 and you write name of 3. The spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Thank you, students.